My name is Mr. O.G.B. Welcome again at Fox 7 News. We got a message by one of our followers asking us our opinion on what is happening currently in Finland, where the Simon Ekpa's group have gathered themselves together to declare what they called the Declaration of Biafra. And I think we have to make a brief statement on that, even though we are still working on it, because we've got to understand the original plan. We've got to know their real aim before we can make a very concrete statement on that.